Welcome to HRPreparation.com, India's first e-learning platform for HR competitive exams. This video is all about OHPC MT HR 2022 online crash course. This article will help you to understand the course and course structure with many other details. Here is a diagram which can help you to understand the course structure. This course consists of study materials and test series. We provide eBooks with topic-wise eBooks of subject knowledge, act-wise eBooks of subject knowledge, and topic-wise eBooks of general aptitude or general paper. Test series are divided into 4 sections. First, topic-wise tests of subject knowledge. Second, act-wise tests of subject knowledge. Third, topic-wise tests of general aptitude or general paper. Fourth one is model mocks as per exam pattern. Each question in each test series, acts and model mocks are given with detailed and unique explanation. You can have a look into course content which is provided in tabular form. Here you can see subject knowledge with topics and subtopics with number of pages and number of MCQs. Here is labor laws and code. Here is general aptitude or general paper with 4 sections and with topics. Quantitative aptitude with topics. Reasoning with topics, General English with topics, General Awareness or GK, only test series are available for GK. Here is 10 model mock tests as per exam pattern. This is all about course content. There are many key features of this course. Many value-added features are in this course. If you want to read this article, you can just click on the blog section and click on this article title. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number. For more details, visit our website www.hrpreparation.com. Happy learning!